Hi, meet Willard. The Willard Collection is a versatile table and bench collection designed to work seamlessly with Wilshire and Boulevard planter collections. Solid, sustainable, and made with hardwood and a modern frame. Willard tables and benches come in a range of sizes which work together to create space-making systems with endless possibilities, such as outdoor dining and workspaces, areas for casual gatherings, or a more modern interpretation of park seating. Straightforward design doesn't compete with your other design elements you might be using on the project. Although we offered cantilever benches, you can also create seating without the challenges of cantilever benches. With Willard, your bench is always the right height from the finished floor. Willard bench, coming in just over 17 inches wide, 18 inches high. Willard bench with back, coming in at 19 inches and 32 inches high. Benches available in 4 standard lengths: 48, 60, 72, and 96. Change in length available. Note that the Willard bench with back, when 72 inches in length, has an additional center support. Gathering table. Willard gathering table comes in just over 40 inches wide and 30 inches high. Available in 3 standard lengths: 60, 72, 96. Change in length are available. Counter and bar height. Counter height table comes in just over 17 inches wide, 36 inches high. Bar height table comes in at just over 17 inches wide and 42 inches high. Bar and counter height tables available in 4 standard lengths: 48, 60, 72, and 96. Change in length are available. Materials, construction, hardware, colors. Materials. Wilshire comes standard with thermally modified hardwood, but you can also choose from Douglas fir and Western cedar, and by request, recycled plastic is available. Construction. No exposed hardware, ships flat packed. Hardware. Stainless steel wood screws, stainless steel leveling feet. Colors. You can choose from any of our 24 different powder coat color finishes for your project. Bench connections. If you would like to connect your benches, you can do so end to end with 2 benches, either 2 separate benches or 2 separate benches with backs. You can also connect 2 separate benches side by side and 2 separate benches side by side with backs. Combining with planters. There's a few options for you to connect your Willard bench with Wilshire planters. A standard bench with back. You can also connect 2 Willard benches to a Wilshire planter on either side, or 2 on either side with backs. Willard countertop and bar height are also available to connect to Wilshire planters. You can also do 2 Willard benches to 2 Wilshire planters. 2 Willard benches also will go great with the Willard gathering table for a picnic style lunch. Willard tables and benches are designed to sit flush with planters and planter walls. Willard's seat back is designed with the same flat back, but the angled seat back makes it comfortable. The following is a list of standard options. Anything outside this list would be considered custom. Changes to dimension. Benches, bar height, and counter height, 36 to 108 inches. Changes in dimension gathering table, 60 inches to 108 inches. Change in material. Although I mentioned that thermally modified wood is the standard, you can also change to a Douglas fir or a Western cedar. Although with this change, you would also incur a slight upcharge to do so. Thank you very much for joining me to talk about our Willard collection.